Oh, finally. After a long day, I'm back in the grocery store. I got everything I need. I got all the food that I need for the rest of the week, and maybe the week after too. Yeah, it's gonna be good. I'm gonna be rich in food.
Home sweet home. Rats. Locked out again. Best I better call a locksmith. Hello? Is this Loco Lose? I need a locksmith here. I'm locked out.
Hey, hi.
Hey, what's the problem?
Well, you see, the door there was locked and I can't get in because it's locked.
You're locked out, eh? They always are. Let's take a look at this thing. Yeah, I need the gloves off for this one. See this? I got the tools for the job. Oh, there we go. This should fix it.
Wait, this is what you're doing?
I've been doing this job for 6 years.
Are you supposed to like make a mold or something?
I gotta do to try that one thing. It's not the
How? Like, you're just putting them back in the bag. You're not even gonna be able to know if you're using different keys.
Try 4. If it's 2, that's not 2. That's try them.
You're dropping keys on the ground now. What's wrong with you?
Well, couldn't get your door open.
Well, then what am I supposed to do? How do I get in my house?
Well, in my professional opinion, you got 2 options. One option is to just die. Just end it all and forget about the doors. And the second option is you can buy my book.
What's your book about?
It's about bears.
You know, after giving it a good look, I think I know what I'm gonna do.